Today for lunch, there's the burger bar, a toasted cheese sandwich, or a chili dog with corn chips. Most of you have probably figured this out, but you can add filters to your video in Zoom. First, select the More dots in the upper right-hand corner, then select Background and Filters, then select Filters. It takes some time to try out the filters to see what you like, but eventually you'll pick one. Make sure when you're done that you go back into filters and select none. Otherwise, you might have this filter already up when you start a new Zoom. Small group band lessons are canceled today, but regular band is still meeting. 3rd period 7th grade, 4th period 8th grade band, and 6th period 6th grade band. Look for updates in Google Classroom. Athletes can still sign up for girls soccer or field hockey in the library. Hybrid and virtual students can sign up by emailing the athletic director, Mr. Queasy. Please include the information listed here. Practices will start on March 8th. 8th grade girls interested in joining the volleyball team next fall are invited to an open gym with the high school team every Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m. at Cedar Grove Church starting on March 6th. Today, to be brave, let's focus on something about our education that we value. Now, please rise for the flag salute.